Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Davis here with our Patterns of Power grammar lesson for today, Tuesday. Here's Miss Davis's little cartoon version talking to you. This morning, we are taking a look at our same 3 sentences from yesterday. And today, we want you to think about how are they alike and different. Because these sentences have some things that are the same and some things that are different. So Miss Davis is going to read the sentences again to you. Sentence number 1 said, Chrysanthemum started school. Sentence number 2, the girl raised her hand. And sentence number 3, Mrs. Twinkle wondered. Remember, all 3 of those sentences were from our story that we read, Chrysanthemum. Now let's see, what do you notice that is the same between these sentences? You can pause the video if you need some time to think. What is the same between sentence 1 and sentence 2? Well, I remember that we talked about how each of these sentences has nouns, those people, places, and things that we could picture in our mind. Let's see how many nouns are in sentence number 1. Chrysanthemum started school. Well, chrysanthemum's a noun. She's a person or animal. So there's 1. Started, no, school. School's another noun. We can picture our school or any school in our mind. So 1, 2, 2 nouns in sentence number 1. Chrysanthemum and school. Second sentence, sentence number 2 says the girl raised her hand. The girl, remember girl is a noun. We can picture a girl in our mind. There's 1. Raised her hand. Hand is another noun. 2. You can picture it in your mind. Girl is a person. And hand is part of a body. You can call it a thing. So sentence number 2 has 1, 2 nouns. Was that the same or different than sentence number 1? Very good. That was the same. 2 nouns in sentence 1 and 2 nouns in sentence number 2. Now let's look at that last sentence. Our third sentence says, Mrs. Twinkle wondered. Mrs. Twinkle wondered. Let's count how many nouns. Remember, Mrs. Twinkle is the name of the teacher in our story. So that's a person. There's 1 noun. We can picture her in our minds. Mrs. Twinkle wondered. No. So how many nouns are in our third sentence? Very good. 1 noun. Mrs. Twinkle is the only noun. So is that the same or different than our first sentence and second sentence? Very good, boys and girls. That's different. We had 2 nouns, 1 noun. So remember, boys and girls, we can create sentences with nouns that help to show a picture of a person, a place, or a thing. We don't always need to have more than 1 noun. Sometimes we might just have 1 noun. Sometimes we might have more than 1 noun. All right. I'll see you superstars tomorrow. Bye.